So kung gusto mo laging equal yung binayad mo sa makukuha mo, VUL is not for you. So sa totoo lang tayo VUL or yung insurance plus investment is not a guaranteed savings product. Kasi si fund value can go higher or lower than your total payment. So kung gusto mo ng sure ball, save it to the bank instead. But here's the truth. VUL is still insurance first with added investment. So for example, nag-save ka sa bank ng 100,000. So magagamit mo yan for emergency. Mawi-withdraw mo kasi yan anytime. Pero ang tanong, sapat ba yan for a medical crisis or a sudden death? Kasi kapag nag-invest ka sa VUL, yung 100,000 mo over time, magkakaroon ka ng coverage ng 500,000 for critical illness. Magkakaroon ka ng 1,000 daily hospital benefits and up to 1 million death benefit for your family. Yung fund value, pwede mo siyang i-withdraw kung kailangan, plus may insurance ka while your money grows. Yung fund value, pwedeng pang emergency or pang bayad ng policy mo kung gipit ka at insured ka pa rin. So, what's the better options? Both. Save in bank for quick cash and save in VUL for big emergencies and long-term protection. And also, reminder lang sa mga kapwa ko agents yes, may traditional insurance na mas mura, but explain it properly, na wala itong fund value. And pwede itong mag-lapse anytime pag di nabayaran agad. Also, tumataas yung premium habang tumatanda. So, both products have pros and cons. Ang mahalaga, naiintindihan ng client. So, confused ka pa rin ba? Message mo na ako para matulungan kita.